Close your eyes. No, really. Because what you're about to feel has nothing to do with the world outside. You've been searching for peace in noise, in people, in results. But what if I told you peace was never something you had to find, only something you forgot?
You wake up, already tired. Your mind starts running before your body even moves. Thoughts, loops, pressure. What if this doesn't work? What if I'm not enough? And even when everything is quiet, inside it's loud. You scroll, you distract, you try to escape it, but it follows you. Because it's not the world that's heavy, it's what you're carrying inside. Here's the truth no one tells you. You are not your thoughts. You are the one watching them. And the moment you realize that, everything changes. Because peace is not something you create, it's what remains when you stop identifying with the noise. Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The surface is wild, waves crashing, wind howling. But beneath it, just a few meters down, there is stillness, silence, depth. That ocean is your mind. And you are not the storm. You are the depth beneath it. So right now, you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to force calm. Just observe. Breathe in slowly. Hold and breathe out. Let your thoughts come. Don't fight them. Don't chase them. Just watch them pass, like clouds moving across the sky. You don't become the cloud. You remain the sky.
Feel your body. Feel the weight of it, the presence of it. You are here, right now. Not in the past, not in the future. Here. And in this moment, nothing is missing. Nothing is wrong. Nothing needs to be solved. Breathe in peace. Breathe out tension. Again. In and out. You're not chasing peace anymore. You're remembering it. See yourself sitting in the middle of chaos. People rushing, voices echoing, energy moving fast. But you don't move. You don't react. You don't absorb it. Because something inside you is finally still. This is your power. Not control over the world, but control over your inner state. Because when your mind becomes still, your reality begins to shift. Clarity appears. Decisions feel lighter. Energy flows differently. You stop reacting and start creating. Peace is not something you earn. It's who you are without the noise. And right now, you are returning to it. So stay here a little longer, in this space, in this silence, in this version of you
that doesn't chase, doesn't fear, doesn't doubt. Because this version is the real you. And the moment you choose to live from here, everything changes. Not outside first, but inside. And that is where real peace begins.